Hi guys! It's your girl, JekJek's and it's time for another balloon art lesson. This time around, I got a very special one for you guys, because it just so happens to be one of my favorite musical artists of the modern era. It's Marshmello! Do you guys have a favorite Marshmello song? Mine is Together. I especially like the music video. Here's how you can make your very own balloon marshmallow. Let's get started! To make marshmallow, you're going to need two 260 balloons in white. Air them both up about 2/3 of the way. Let some air out. And tie. It's completely fine if they're not perfectly even, because chances are you're not even going to need the entire one of each balloon. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. Take one of the balloons and make two 1-inch bubbles. Take the tie and wrap it around the open spot. Now, what you're going to do is take the slack and wrap it between the two balls that you just made. So far it'll look like that. Now move down about 3 inches. What you're going to do next is a larger flower petal, about this size. So far we have Marshmello's arm and head. Doing great. Now take your other balloon. And this time we're going to make a very small flower petal on the end. It'll look like that. Don't forget to squeeze and stretch. And now we're going to twist a 1-inch bubble, and then do a pinch twist. There is a marshmallow foot. So now you're going to measure about 3 inches and twist. Now measure about another 3 inches down this part, the other balloon, the first one. And now you're going to twist the two balloons together about right here, 3 inches down right. Now take your longer balloon and match it the same length in the center portion, just like that. And now, you're going to do the same thing with the other one. So now there's going to be 3 pieces in the middle, all of equal length. And you're going to twist it back into his head. Now here's where things might get a little tricky. You actually need to squeeze this balloon a little more and try and get the air to be forced out by tucking it into the center of the 3 in the back. Give it a twist at the bottom. And now you can make his other leg. And this time you're actually going to reverse it. You're going to do the pinch twist first. And then the tiny flower petal. So we got a lot of extra here, but we'll come back to that. First, let's make his other eye. You're just gonna do, just like the first arm, 2 1-inch balloons. And see what remains of the slack through the 2 fingers. Or his hand, rather. And now, about that slack. Pinch it where it's attached to the rest of your marshmallow, and very carefully snip the uninflated part of the balloon. So it can deflate slowly like this and not explode. And now just wrap that slack around the foot. There we go. There's the entire body of our marshmallow. Now all we have left is to draw his iconic face. Now some people think, oh, you're just going to draw 2 X's, now it's Marshmello. Actually, no. The X's that are Marshmello's eyes are very uniquely shaped. So first, the top part of the X's are skinny and pointy. Kind of like that. The bottom part is round and fat. And that is what you should be drawing for Marshmello's eyes. Go ahead and do a for his other eye. And color them in. And now you just put a smiley mouth. And there we have it. There is our Marshmello. Hey look, twins! It's a party! Well, that finishes this lesson. Remember to practice, practice, practice. And it's okay if you pop balloons, that's part of the art. And until the next lesson, I'm your girl, JekJek's the Clown. Keep on smiling and keep on twisting. Bye, guys!